Tea time with Trav. Now, people are really being judgmental, saying that people that work at grocery stores and fast food places don't deserve $15 an hour, when those were the people that put their lives on the line for us during this whole pandemic. Why not? What's going on, y'all? It's Ayootravv, and I'm back again. Y'all, I have JJ's Chicken and Fish. Y'all haven't had this in a long time because I'm so used to it. Like, so it originated in Chicago, but they have, they franchised out here in Atlanta, but they usually only have them like in the inner city. You know what I'm saying? In the city. So, I ain't had it in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and say grace. I'm going to start eating stuff. Father God, I come today to ask you what's over this food. Please let it be nourishment to my body. Please let me know this is food properly in your name. I pray. Amen. Amen. One more time. Amen. How was y'all day going today? Y'all day didn't have fish fillet. So I never having to get the whole catfish. I'll see that. Now, what I'm not ready for is all the bones that's going to be in my mouth. Well, I thought this would break easier. Oh, okay. I definitely thought it would have broke easier than it did. All right, there we go. Because fish don't have strong bones. They do. I'm going to use this hot sauce first. But I'm probably using more of their hot sauce than anything because... why use mine when I can use theirs? Do you feel me? Do you feel me? Do you feel me? Let me give me some tart sauce though. My hands are slippery already. Over it. That'd be the worst part about eating. Oh, I didn't mean for it to come out like that, but okay. You already did. Thank you. Guess I ate it like that. See? I knew that was a bone. This is good. I'm excited. Y'all, catfish is so good. It's just really about eating through the bone. I also got a pizza puff, y'all. I don't know if y'all know, but Chicago is known for their pizza puffs. This is hot. I haven't had a Chicago style pizza puff so long. Oh, yeah. It just catfished me. Because the outside don't be that hot. But when we get to that gooey middle, Oh yeah. I'm not eating on the bone. No, it's so good. No. I got 5 gizzards too. I don't know if I said that. I don't know if I'm using their cheap napkins. Let's go back. Y'all know I don't be eating fries, but I'm a nibble on the fries. Here we go with the slippery fingers. I have to show you this piece. I thought the fish was gonna fall. When I tell you I was gonna throw this whole fish across the room, I don't wanna. Excuse me. See? Bottom. And we're gonna break that piece off so I can see what's on it. Tea time with Trav. Y'all didn't know it was coming right there, did you? Nope. Y'all, my stomach is really growling. I've been in bed already. It's my first time eating, but it's only. Oh, no, earlier than what it is. It's 5:30. It's not that bad. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into our tea time, y'all. Those are AO sauce orders coming in, y'all. So, Joe Biden wants to increase minimum wage to $15. What do y'all think about that? Y'all should already know my thoughts. I feel like it's fair, and they should do it. I definitely do. Especially due to COVID. Now listen. Now people are really being judgmental, saying that people that work at grocery stores and fast food places don't deserve $15 an hour, when those were the people that put their lives on the line for us during this whole pandemic. You mean to tell me that they don't deserve more money? Why not? Why not? Especially depending on where you live at. I live in Atlanta, and they say the cost of living here is cheap. Where? Where? Because I don't see it. People can barely live off $15 a year. And then on top of that, you also have to consider what these corporations are going to do because of this too, right? Just because someone's making $15 an hour doesn't mean that their company is willing to give them as many hours as possible. That's something else you have to think about. Everyone doesn't work 40 hours a week. So, if they was, I'm trying to do a little basic math, y'all know I'm not good at math, but if someone made $15 an hour, worked 40 hours a week, and I pull out my calculator before I get started crazy and y'all be talking about me because y'all know I ain't good at math. I think I know the number, but I'm not sure, and I don't want to be embarrassing, so. Is it 52 weeks in a year? Yeah, I think it's 52 weeks in a year. Yeah, so it's 52 weeks. 52 times 40. Okay. I don't know. I'm not good at math. I'm not good at math. But if them people make out, I think it's like 30 something a year. 30 something a year, I don't know. But why are we concerned with what the next person make? And I've seen people on social media say, this job is not worth $15 an hour. Says who? Says who? Y'all don't know the time and energy that goes into a fast food joint. And if you do, great. However, do you know what it was like to go through a pandemic? Working at a fast food restaurant, working at a grocery store, when your life is literally on the line. I don't think it's wrong. I still feel like them people should have got hazard pay. And he didn't. And then a lot of them places don't even offer health insurance. They don't offer dental insurance, vision. None of that. So least you can do is pay me more. I just think that's wrong. And I feel like, oh, don't even get me started on the service. I was reading something. I didn't get to fully read it, y'all, because I was half asleep. But something about where the servers would be making, you know, regular hourly wage as opposed to the $2.13. And I say, amen, thank you, Jesus. I need to finish reading up on that. Excuse me. To see if it's true, because I think that's horrible. I was a server for 2 years, so I know firsthand what it's like to be a server. People can't say that being a server, you don't deserve X amount of money per hour because you bust your butt, y'all. There were times where I was serving from sun up to sundown, got in there at 9:30 a.m., didn't leave till midnight. But look at it like this. A server can be very wealthy if they have the right shift. I'm not gonna lie. But that's not always the case. Some people don't tip accordingly. And it ultimately leaves that server in a bad place because if you're running me back and forth, you want this, you want that, you want a refill, you want another one of these, you want to order this, you forgot to add this, you forgot to say you're allergic to this. Sorry, I felt something spirit. Ooh, the ghetto. But if I'm spending all my time at this table and I'm neglecting my other tables, now when it's time for that other table to tip me, they're probably not going to tip me well because they feel like my service was not up to par. I mean, that's because I was working with you. Just for you to turn around and work me like a slave, and you also pay me like a slave because you're not leaving nothing. Have y'all heard this saying, if you don't have money to tip, don't go out to eat? Now, I can't say that I 100% agree with that because that's kind of ignorant. But I do feel like you do a disservice to your server when you don't tip accordingly. Especially when you treat them very poorly. And you have them catering to your every need. Yeah, me personally, I don't like the word server. Like, I know that's what the term, I guess. But I don't like it because it reminds me of a maid. I have to keep checking on you every 5 seconds, ask you what you want. I have to go get this. I have to get it in a timely manner. I have to take your order. I have to cater to every need. I'm not a slave. I'm nobody's slave. So I did not like being a server, not one little bit, y'all. But it paid the bills. And I hear when people say, "Oh, if you don't like being a server, go get another job." It may not be that easy. people may have a criminal background and that was the only job that accepted them. This may be the only job that work with their school schedule if they're a student. You never know. That was the reason why I was a server in college, because they literally worked around my schooling and they understood that school came first. And as a server, we had certain shifts that were only like 4 hours long. Not all, but occasionally you can have a shift like that. So, imagine being a college student, trying to find an internship, being a part of a dance organization, being a part of a Divine Nine organization, etc. I needed a job that was flexible and quick with money. So that's what I did. I was gonna say I found a job, but I really didn't. Somebody knew worked there. Pretty much got me a job, but it was perfect. And before that, I was working at Old Navy. And I wasn't making minimum wage. Well, was I? How much am I making? At Old Navy, I think I'm making $9 an hour. It was a bone. You know, I'm back to now because I feel like I've been rambling and rambling. So, at the end of the day, moral of the story is mind your business. Stop counting other people's pockets. Period. If you don't feel like they deserve $15 an hour, take it up with your government. Because truth be told, you probably don't even deserve the dollars an hour that you make, because you probably don't work the way that you should. But truthfully, if we want to talk, I don't think it's fair that businesses have the right to tell us what our effort is worth per hour. That's the real tea. Because although y'all saying that y'all will give me $15 an hour, if my performance is worth $20 to $25 an hour, up my pay. But y'all don't. These corporations pay what they want and work you how you want because they know the job market right now ain't busting. So they're going to do whatever they need to do to make sure that you stay, but they're probably not going to go above and beyond. That's why I always felt like when I was working regular jobs, I always told people, no, I'm not going to work above and beyond. If this is not a part of my pay grade, if it's not in my job description, I'm not doing it. I don't care. I'm not doing anything extra. You can fire me because I don't want this to be my end-all be-all anyway. So guess what? Deuces. I mean, I done walked out on plenty of jobs. I done got fired from some too. I ain't gonna lie. But I done walked out from plenty of jobs because I just don't care. You're not going to treat me how you want to treat me because you think I need your dollar. That's what's wrong with these corporations. They feel like you need their dollar. I don't. I'm a hustler. I'm going to find a way to get it. So if me and you ain't working out, deuces. I'm going to find elsewhere. No. I genuinely feel like anybody who was working during the pandemic in like an essential place, not the people that work from home, the people that worked in the hospitals, the restaurants, like fast food ones, the restaurants that were still open, not the ones that closed, grocery stores. It's probably it. First responders. I feel like they should have got a pay raise. They should have gotten hazard pay, etc. But whatever, I'm not the government. I don't make the laws. If I did, a lot of y'all be in trouble. Anyway, let's go inside now. So, if you haven't already, make sure you check the description box below for the website, www.ayootravv.com. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the red button right there to join the family. Boom. Hit the button next to it. Boom. So you're notified next time we talk about our video. But if you want to stay connected with Ayootravv, jump back into the description box, go down to the bottom. Brr, boom. There you will see my social media: Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, all that. And follow me. Let me come on Instagram, leave me them Instagram, leave me come to do whatever. Let me know what's like, what's don't like, what's want to see, what's don't see, what's want to say, but don't see, what's want to be, but don't want to do. Other than that, it's been real. It's been real. Ooh, Ayootravv, ooh, is out. Peace. Ooh, that was a loud one. I'm proud of myself. Now that one wasn't out. Bye, I gotta go.